Hello, guess what I managed to pick up? The latest LEGO City magazine. It is issue number 85. It was £6.99, and look what you get. 2 toys. Not one, which comes with a shark, and a diver, and one of those little, I don't know, what is that? It's one of those things that can search, I guess. I don't know. And then what I wanted was something to go in the Lego City. Although I can put this in the Lego City because I have an idea for the shark, but I'm not sure about the robot. That's what that is. I've just seen it there. Diver with robot and shark. An extra set is what I'm after. What's this? I actually like both of them. So let's build them and see what they look like. So here is the first set. We have a nice looking shark. Looks pretty scary. Oh, it snaps. That's quite cool, isn't it? So we have that shark, which I've got an idea what I want to do with that, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to do it. So I'm not going to say what I'm going to do. If it works, I'll make a video on it. If it doesn't, I'll pretend nothing happened. And then I have this diver, which looks awesome. It's got a nice little backpack with the canisters, the oxygen, it's printed front and back. I'm loving the little headpiece with the mask and the flippers. It's just great. And it's got two faces as well. You can either have that face, the scared one, or he has a sort of a smiley kind of face. I would show you, but it's hard to get that off. Maybe I'll do it quickly. There you go. Okay, not smiley. He's got a moustache, and he looks a bit like he should be in a western. Anyway, put the mask back on. He hasn't seen the shark yet. And then we have the little robot mini build. It looks a bit like a minion to me. Looks pretty cool though. I quite like it. So that's the first pack. So they're definitely going to go into my Lego Lost City. And then the next one, we have the digger, a little another mini build. Nice little digger. He can start moving some of the Lego around for me, and he can join the workers. And he's a it's a good minifigure as well, printed on the back and the front. Comes with his helmet, his happy face because he's going to enjoy working, and yeah, nice easy build, and he's going to look good in the city with the other workmen. So I'm really happy with that. It's going to look great. So yeah, all in all, happy with the little mini figures, little mini builds. The shark is going to be great for the city, and yeah, will I be able to work this out? So I'll tell you my plan. I'll tell you now, and if it doesn't work, you'll never see it. But if it works, I'll make a video on it. So I'm going to try and put this into a wave and have a transparent wave where you can see the shark coming out of it. And then I could have the diver sort of trying to escape the wave, something like that. I'm going to try anyway, but I might need some more brick, some more transparent blue. So we'll see. I might be going to the Lego shop soon, so if they have some in there, pick a brick wall time it is. But anyway, thanks very much for watching this video. The Lego City magazine never, ever seems to fail me. I always like the toys that are on it, and I can always use them. So I'm happy with that. Let's get rid of that shark. No, I need it for the city. Go back. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you at another one. Bye for now.